Welcome to Read and Learn, Day 5. Today we're going to learn the letter sounds of letter J, letter R, and letter V. J says J, J. R says R, R. V says V, V. J, R, V. J, R, V. Let's repeat. V, R, J, R, J, V, V, R, J, R, J. Children, read after me. V, R, J, R, J, V. Now it's your turn. Good job. Letter J. J says J, J, job. J, jaguar. J, jar. J. Letter R. R says her, her, race. Her, run. Her, rock. Her. Letter V. V says V, V, vote. V, vowels. V, voice. V. This is vowel O. O says A. A, oval. A, over. A, owl. A. Let's read more. A, j, odge. A, her, or. A, v, of. Odge, or, of. J, a, j, a, jaw. Her, a, her, a, raw. V, a, v, a, va. Jaw, raw, va. Jaw, raw, va. Raw, va, jaw. Let's repeat. Jaw, raw, va. Raw, va, jaw. Let's read. Her, ought. Her, ought, rot. Rot. Her, ob. Her, ob, rob. Rob. J, ought. J, ought, jot. Jot. Rot, rob, jot. J, og. J, og, jog. Jog. Her, odd. Her, odd, rod. Rod. Her, all. Her, all, roll. Roll. Jog, rod, roll. Good job, children. See you in day 6.